Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Lancashire. My name's Josh and I'm going to give you a tour of this Volkswagen California Ocean. So this is a 150 PS 7-speed DSG. So we'll start at the front there. You can see you've got your headlights, your chrome strip across the grille there. Down to the bottom you've got your front parking sensors. Going around to the side you can see you've got your 17-inch alloy wheels. Just up there you've got your black awning rail, and then you've got your pop-top roof as well. Coming into the driver's side, you can see you've got your controls for your heated and folding wing mirrors. So you can see if we turn them to the top, wing mirrors go up, back down to the bottom, they'll fold down. Got your headlight switch just there, you set that to automatic, and as you can see this vehicle's only done 2,385 miles. Got your leather multifunction steering wheel there. Just on this side, got your cruise control settings, and here you've got your buttons for scrolling through your menus. So you can see you've got your blinds that come across the windscreen there. Got one on each side of the windscreen there. At the top there you've got your storage compartment, and in the middle you've got your DAB digital radio. Got your media there, you can select your source there. Got your phone connectivity via Bluetooth, voice control, navigation system, App Connect for connecting your device via USB, so you've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink, and then you've got your menu just there. Just down here you've got your button for your parking sensors, so you've got front and rear parking sensors. In the middle you've got your heated seats controls for the front seats, which are separately controlled, and down here you've got your 3-zone climate control, so you can control the rear, the passenger side and the driver's side separately. And here you've got your buttons for your electric side sliding door, so if you press this the door will open, press it again the door will close. You can also control this via the key. Just there you've got a storage compartment with a USB socket and a 12-volt socket. Got cup holders just there, and larger bottle compartment just there. Actually you've got carpet flooring in the cab, you've got your carpet mats. Got your seats there with armrests for the front seats. Just up here you've got your control panel, so you can control your auxiliary heater and your pop-up roof. So you see it's already open, but if you wanted to close it, just turn it and press close and it will start to close. So we're now in the roof here, and as you can see you've got your net there, and you can also unzip the whole front. Got a 12-volt socket, and you've got your button for controlling your lights in the roof of the pop-up roof. You've got the same on the other side as well. As you can see the bed lifts up, giving you extra room in the back, and when you pull it down you can see you've got your mattress there. You've also got your nets on the side, very similar to the front. There's plenty of room up here. As you can see this vehicle's finished in Acapulco blue metallic paint. As you can see, open this door, you just pull the handle there. So in this vehicle here you've got 5 seats, and just here you've got your sink, you've got your gas burners there, you've got your cutlery drawer there with soft close, so you can close all that away. More storage underneath there as well. Got your lights above the kitchen area, and then you've got your fridge box just there, as well as your table. There you can see you've got your 2-seater bench there. To close the door, just pull the handle the same and it will close on its own. You can see got your Ocean brand in there. You've got your tailgate at the back. Your rear parking sensors across the back bumper there. So go ahead and open the tailgate, and in the tailgate here you can see you've got your 2 fold-away chairs. You also got a fold-away table which is built into the sliding door. As you can see back here you've got another storage compartment, so you've got shelves in there, keep everything nice and organised and out of the way. Now just here you've got your button for your lights on the tailgate, so if you've got your tailgate open at night you have the lights on. We'll go ahead and close the tailgate now. California badge in there. Coming around to the passenger side, can see here you've got your electric hookup point and your water fill up point. A bit more Ocean branding there. And opening the passenger side door and opening this little flap down here, you can see you've got your diesel and your AdBlue fill up points, and then you've got a view of the cab there from the passenger side. If you would like any more information about this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give us a call on 01772 911 356. Thank you for watching.